You are going to love the 2011 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, luggage rack. Inside you'll find OnStar, cruise control, cup holders, console, floor mats. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.